Hey, what's going on, guys? Happy Wednesday, happy hump day. Hope you guys are doing great and you guys are killing it on in the stock markets. Markets are really awesome right now, so take out as much gain as possible. And there would be times when market won't be so grateful to you. Uh, so if you guys like the video, please like and subscribe. Gonna keep me motivated to make more videos for you, so you can learn more. Let's review. Uh, So overall in the markets, if you take a look at it, I mean, the Dow has been flat, Nas and the spiders are flat for the day. But overall, the strength of the market is, the bias in the market is still on the long side. I talked about IWM small cap yesterday, but I didn't really find any opportunities, right? I mean, you look at the spiders, really no shakeout in this name. Uh, Either on the IWM, which is the small cap speculative sector. If you look on this one, not a lot of movement over here, but I think this is actually going to start ripping, right? We'll see how that part goes. So let's take a look at the trade which I did today on TXRH, which is I'm not really sure what is this really called. Texas something. Texas road housing. So we always look on the higher time frame to take a look at the analysis, right? See, take a look at if there's any shock gap, right? So if you look on this chart, this is pretty much a big mess on the chart. It's trading between $50 and $38 level. What you can just see from right off the bat is all those people who bought this over this support level, who were trying to support this, all of them are now underwater, right? So the bias is really strong on the short side. The idea really is, can you find an opportunity to trade it? So if you look on the 5-minute chart, on the 5-minute chart, it had this big push and then a flush down, right? It's a bit harder to trade on the 5-minute chart because you don't really see much. But if you try to break it down on the 1-minute chart, that's where things get interesting. So you see this one big push, and after that it just flushed all the way down throughout the day, right? So I mean, as I mentioned, I don't really trade full time, I trade part time. So whenever I see an opportunity, I'm going to trade it. So this wasn't the stock on my radar. Now, the best entry would have been to short it over here. But I actually was shorting right here under the $42 level, which is a bit risky. You know what? Because you're seeing a move from 44 to 42. It's already made a $2 move up, $2 more move down. How much juice is really left? Best entry is actually trying to short it as close to $44 level and put a stop right up here. So let me break it down because this might look a bit better. So here's a short gap under the $45 level. This is a 15-minute chart, and then there is a 5 minutes. So my entry was under the 42. Once it went to 42, I got entries of 400 shares and scaled out at 41.68, 16.57. So decent entry on 400 shares. Made about 30 cents on the name of $117. Some of the other names which did pop up on my scanners was FSLR. So FSLR is a name which is being looked at by a lot of people, right? So on the daily chart, I didn't really see an opportunity to, I mean, this is really gapping in the middle of nowhere, right? But relative to the past yesterday, is actually shocking these people who bought yesterday. So the only people who are getting shocked is the people who bought it yesterday. Everybody else already know what the heck is going on. If you look on the 5-minute chart, trying to see if there's an opportunity for you to trade. So I guess when there was a first push, once it came back to the moving averages, this would have been a good short against this $34.75 level for a move 75 cents. That's a decent level, right? Decent amount of move to make. And the other one which came up on my radar was MBLY, MBLY. So looking at the daily chart once again, seeing if there's an opportunity to trade. The higher time frame is not clear. The shorter time frame is going to be even harder to trade. So on the daily time frame, if you look on the MBLY, let me try to pull this up on here. So I mean, this has clearly been on the uptrend. So the first move, the second, this is really was the third exhaustion gap, right? So clearly it's not gonna go up, it's gonna go down. But the chances is there a range for it to actually trade? So the daily chart is a bit sloppy. So I mean, I guess the really trade was gonna be if you traded this break over here on the 47.20 to 60 cents. So, but I'd really stayed out of this name. So 3 names on our radar. One I traded. The FSLR would have been a decent trade as well. But so far so good. Up for the week, up $117 for today. And by the way, guys, once again, if you like the video, please like and subscribe. I'm gonna make more videos for you guys so you can learn a lot. Have a good one.